All right, so I've got a Sony little boom box, CFD-S22. It's got the mega bass port. Is that where the bass come out? Anyhow, the customer says the CD will not play. Let's go ahead and find out. Okay, CD is inserted. Close the door. And it says no disc. Well, let's check the cleanliness of the laser pickup. Well, there is the optical pickup. Looks pretty good from here. Let's get a flashlight on it real quick. And I do see a fair amount of dust accumulation on the unit. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a cleaning, and we'll see if that makes a difference. Okay, just a regular cotton swab, moistened with regular household glass cleaner. Very, very light pressure and always cleaning in a circular motion only. And then with the dry end, the exact same step, just dry off the lens, very light pressure and a circular motion only. And I'm just going to go ahead, it's kind of hard to see right here, but move that just a little bit. There is the turntable. I'm just going to wipe off the turntable surface. If there's a lot of accumulation, it can cause it to go out of focus, but normally that's only on the edge of the disc. And I'm just going to hit it with a little compressed air. Okay, let's give it another try and see if we made any progress. Okay, I was just getting ready to give this thing a try, and I noticed something funny. It's funny, it says a funny thing that happened on the way to the forum. This disc says DVD on it. You can't play a DVD disc in an audio CD player. It won't work. So I just happen to have an audio CD here. Drop that in it, tip it up so you can see the display. We'll hit play. And as far as I can tell, it's working perfect. Well, I think that's going to be it. Just a quick little, did it need a cleaning? I'm not even sure, repair video. I think I will go ahead and wipe off the cabinet. It is quite dingy. Anyhow, there's a short one for you. Trying to get a DVD to play in an audio CD player. Not going to work. Anyhow, the CD is working perfect. I'll go ahead and pop a tape into it, make sure the tape plays, and I'll send this back to the customer. Wow, the tape actually works. That is very amazing. And I did go ahead and give the cassette a cleaning, and boy, did it need a cleaning. Anyhow, it's working absolutely perfect. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Shiny. Oh no, I think I spotted the problem. It says it's a DVD. You can't play an audio CD. You can't play a DVD in an audio CD player. That would definitely cause an issue. So let me go ahead and grab an actual CD. There's a CDR. We'll close it. And it read the disc. We'll hit play. And it is working. Well, maybe it worked the whole time. I just don't think... No, that's a bad angle. Alright, let's try it again without my freaking feet in the picture. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day.